Welcome, class, to another exciting chapter of our digital journey. Today, we are unlocking the secrets of the keyboard. Are you ready to dive in?
Before we embark on our keyboard adventure, let's take a moment to understand its basic layout. Behold, the keyboard, our gateway to digital communication. Now, let's explore the diverse world of keyboards. From the trusty standard keyboard to the sleek laptop keyboard, and even the high-tech gaming and wireless keyboards, there's one for every need and preference. The art of typing. Position your fingers on the home row keys for maximum efficiency, and soon you'll be touch typing like a pro, gliding across the keys with precision and speed. Remember, a happy keyboard is a clean keyboard. Regular maintenance and gentle typing will ensure your loyal companion stays in top shape for years to come. But it's not all work and no play. Get creative with keyboard art or challenge yourself with typing games. Learning can be fun.
Now, let's delve deeper into the world of keyboards. Sarah, can you share your experience with different types of keyboards?
Sure, ma'am. I find the laptop keyboard really convenient for typing on the go, but nothing beats the comfort of a standard keyboard for long typing sessions.
Excellent insights, Sarah.
And so, our keyboard journey comes to an end. But fear not, for with newfound knowledge and skills, we are ready to conquer the digital world, one keystroke at a time.